today I'm gonna show you how to do your own garlic oil. Because sometimes, or most of the time, we just buy the garlic and then we just 1 or 2 pieces and we let it die and then we have to throw it away. A good idea to maximize the use of your garlic is to make oil out of it. So what I have here is I just peel all my garlic I had in the kitchen. And I'm gonna mix it with these amazing olive oil. Super simple, and it should take you 1 minute to do after you peel your garlic, because of course peeling the garlic is a lot of fun. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put the garlic in this beautiful container I had. Remember to recycle all the glass containers because it's the best way to keep your food in the kitchen. Once we add the olive oil, make sure you close properly your container. And remember, this time is 100% organic because we're using organic olive oil and organic garlic. So I just finished it. As you see, it takes a minute to do it. I'm just gonna leave it here for at least a month before we open it again. Greatest tip I was about to tell you in this episode is do not kiss anyone after you eat this. Alright? So I'll see you next week with another recipe. I wish you a good day. Bye bye.